So we're back in the kitchen making some really nice southern fried chicken, starting with the buttermilk firstly. I like to add a little bit of lemon juice to it as well. So for the slaw, we have about 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise. I've just sliced some red cabbage. I like celeriac, I've just sliced some of it. Lemon juice. So this has been marinating for a good while. The most important part, I suppose, for this is the kind of crust. This is just a little bit of smoked paprika, cayenne pepper, and then we have just pepper and salt. And there you go. There you have homemade MFC, Manor Farm chicken, Manor fried chicken, whatever you want to call it.